My name's John Cooper. I'm Head of Service and Support at Sony Professional Solutions Europe. Sony PSC is really the non-consumer part of Sony, so we look after customers for all the products that are sold through the non-consumer businesses. We operate in 24 countries and we have a very wide range of customers. Those customers might include, for instance, national broadcasters like SRG Group in Switzerland or ITV in the UK. It can include very specialist customers like CTV, which is the Vatican's own television production line. It includes key film directors. So, for instance, Avatar was filmed on Sony cameras. Woody Allen has just announced he's filming his latest feature on our F65 4K camera. As you can imagine, customers like that have quite a different set of challenging expectations for us. We support customers like Deloitte, who've just implemented an Office of the Future in Amsterdam with our technology. We support customers like UEFA too. The one thing that's common with all these customers is that their needs are based around uptime and reliability. They need the products to be working at all times. They're high quality, high value assets. We've got a number of key market challenges facing us in PSC. In the past, I guess most of our conversations in the service level were engineer to engineer. But the industry's moving fast. There's a fierce pace of change in terms of technology. Prices are falling. Customers sometimes are struggling with retaining key engineers. So often we're having to talk to customers without the engineering skills they once had. So it's no longer just about a technical to technical conversation. It's about how are we delivering our service against expectations and having that conversation with someone who's not necessarily technical at all in nature. Our previous service system was designed for very different needs to the ones we have today. It was really designed for kind of one-to-one interactions. One customer with one product, and if that product breaks, we do something about it to get it back up to speed. But these days, of course, we're managing very complex contracts with customers with multiple different types of equipment, not just Sony equipment, in multiple locations, and we really couldn't manage that with our previous system. In selecting a service platform, I guess there are always two obvious choices. One is you can bespoke something, do it yourself to meet your needs perfectly, or secondarily look to see what's available on the open market. And to be honest, in the past I've been very skeptical because I didn't really feel that the practitioners really understood our business well. ServiceMax brings us a number of strategic benefits. As a business, we're finding our customers are much more keen on a conversation about an offering that's a combination of really cool technology, but also with a service wrapper. That servitization approach we're seeing more and more of, and ServiceMax helps us underpin that, helps us deliver that kind of service. One of the things we've been really successful at in the past is our attachment rate on very high-end systems. But when it comes to our bulk volume box business, we have much lower levels of attachment rate. And actually, we've not really had the tools to allow us to drive that. ServiceMax helps deliver the financial benefits because we get that attachment rate up. That's how we'll really engineer this aggressive growth in our recurring revenues. One of the key things that we really liked about ServiceMax was the data, the information we could get out of the system and help us drive improvements in our business. Previously, to produce a report showing customers what we were doing on their behalf required us to cobble together information from multiple sources in Excel. It took us forever, and by the time we'd finished it, the information wasn't particularly timely. Now that information is available to us actually at the click of a button. Even more marvelously, we can share it widely, both inside our company, but also with our customers, really importantly with our customers. That visibility is so important because our business is based around helping customers want to come back to Sony to buy again. Having a system that gives us the data that proves what the sort of job my team's doing for the customers is absolutely fantastic.